It's mud on the dance floor, but you better not kill the groove. DJ, gonna burn this goddamn house right down. Oh, I know about your kind. And so I'll have to play. If you think you're getting away, I will prove you wrong. I'll take you all the way. Girl, just come along. Hear me when I say, hey. It's not on the dance floor, but you better not kill the groove. Hey, it's not on the dance floor, but you better not steal the moves. DJ, gonna burn this goddamn house right down. Hey everybody, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at Murder at the Dance Floor. This is super dancey song. We'll do it one full step down than the original, so if you want to play along with the original, you can put a capo on the second fret, but also that way that I'll show you how to play. I think the chords are relatively simple. We'll work a little bit more on the strumming pattern because it's, I think, the most challenging thing in this song. So grab your uke and let's see how to play this one. Okay, throughout the song we have basically just two parts. First one starts with the intro. It is D chord to A chord to E minor and then to G, right? But they're not even. The first one is a little bit shorter, the second one is a little bit longer, and the third one is a little bit shorter, and the fourth one is a little bit longer. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and, right? So the second chord comes on the off beat before 3, right? If you count it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? So it's mud on the dance floor. In the intro I just do one down strum, but you better not kill the groove. DJ, gonna burn this goddamn house right down. And before going to the next part, you hold G one bar longer. And we start the second part, which starts with F sharp minor. Going to E minor, but before that, just for one strum, I slide the whole thing one fret down, trying to avoid the A string, right? This is basically F minor, and then grabbing the E minor. And then after the E minor, we again go to F sharp minor, but this time I slide half a step. This is another F minor just for one strum, and then grabbing F sharp minor again. All right, so let's see how this goes. Oh, I know about your kind. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay, this is just the first line. I'm repeating it so you get a better feeling of how we go through F minor. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3. Okay, we finish it on D, and actually we hold one more bar on D, right? So, oh, I know about your kind. And so I have to play. And after this, we go back to the first part. But before that, let me show you the strumming that I'm doing here. So basically, my left hand is pressing and releasing the pressure, so I'm creating muted strums, right? And the right hand basically just goes down, up, down, up. Now when I think about it, this is maybe one of my most favorite strumming patterns. notice that I'm strumming on some strums a little bit stronger. These are the exact strums that I'm pressing here with the left hand to sound the chord, right? So that's, oh, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know about your type. And so, and so, and so, and so, and so, and so, and so. You have to pray. Hold. And then on the next part, we go again. D to A to E minor to G with the same lengths that I explained to you earlier, but we keep this strumming pattern that I just did, right? So, if you think you're getting away, I will prove you wrong. Take you all the way, girl, just come along. Hear me when I say, hey, hold on G again and going to the next part. It's murder on the dance floor, but you better not kill the groove. Hey, 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 it's murder on the dance floor, but you better not steal the moves. DJ, gonna burn this goddamn house right down. And basically you just go between these two parts. Of course, on some of them you strum hard, on others you just try to make the dynamic go a little bit lower. That way it's more enjoyable to listen to the music because it's not all the time just the same thing, but you're creating a up and down dynamic, which is a lot more interesting to listen to. So that sums up my tutorial for Murder on the Dance Floor. It will be very helpful if you have the printable in front of you. You can get it right here or in the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching, for liking, for subscribing, for requesting songs and everything. Goodbye now, and I'll see you in the next one. Look, right there, it's a mountain on the next hill. Looks really awesome with the snow. I don't know if you can see it with this lens. I hope you can.